Celeriac is that ugly-looking root vegetable we all walk past in the veggie section of the supermarket. Yet it's one of the garden's hidden delights. I think of it as a celery-flavoured potato that is high in fibre and low in starch. The leaves are also tasty and can be used instead of parsley. Celeriac can be used anywhere you would use a potato. Bake with pumpkin or even fry like chips, but the best is in a bake with potatoes, onions, cream and nutmeg. Just make an ordinary potato bake, but replace one layer of potato with a layer of celeriac. These are available in the Renaissance range in the mustard pots at your local garden centre.